A third-party logistics company deployed a GenAI system for carrier selection and route optimization. The recommendations were accurate, testing went well, the launch was successful. But 3 months after launch, adoption was under 20%. Not because the AI was wrong, because acting on every recommendation meant opening the TMS and entering the route manually, updating the ERP separately, logging the carrier in a spreadsheet. The AI was doing the analysis. The dispatcher was doing the data entry. At 400 shipments a day, that is not automation, that is friction, built into every decision the team makes. Amazatic's enterprise integration and API enablement service closes the gap. We connect your GenAI directly to your CRM, ERP, HRMS, and the platforms your business runs on: Salesforce, ServiceNow, Slack, and your carrier and operational systems. AI outputs execute automatically. Workflows trigger without manual handoffs. Decisions log themselves into the right system in real time. The result: AI that executes, not AI that recommends and waits. Your team focused on decisions, not data entry. If your logistics GenAI adoption doesn't reflect the quality of the system, the integration layer is where to look. Amazatic's enterprise integration and API enablement, connecting GenAI to the systems your business runs on.